What's going on, guys? Got the truck finished up. Looks good. Still got to do some stuff to the charger here soon. So, but now let me go ahead and give you a sneak peek. Alright guys, this is the truck. That's what it looks like. Do a little walk around of it. So, looks good. Looks really good. So, like I was telling you guys, had the windshield tinted. Bought the Rough Country 2.4 drop, which puts the axle on top of the leaf springs in the back instead of under it. So now the axle is on top. You're not gonna be able to see it, but so it's pretty much a axle flip. Got it's adjustable on the back from 4 inches to 4.5. I'm at 4 right now, and I like how 4 looks. Still probably like about a hand. So still looks pretty good. Still got a good bit ways before the frame or the axle hits the bump stop, so that's good. And the front went with, or in the kit, comes with 2-inch drop spindles, and kind of sat up a little high in the front. So being this is a torsion bar truck, turn the torsion bars a little bit, got it a little bit lower, so it's probably more around 3 fingers in the front. It's not a good accurate measure, but hey, it works. So I may actually raise the front up just a tad. I got to get new lug nuts. This is what I got the other day. I ordered, and they're too long. I put one on and realized that it's not going to look good. So this is what I got. Got these spike lug nuts. They would have looked cool, but as you can tell, I mean, they're way too long on a deep dish wheel. These things would look bomb, but not on these. They stick out like right here on these wheels. You know, it's enough to where it's like if you're looking at it from the back, all you see is the spikes. Like if you're, no kidding, right here you see the spikes, and right there you start seeing the wheel. So I didn't like them, too long. So probably gonna sell these. If you're in the Birmingham area, you know, anywhere in Alabama really, I'd be willing to meet if you want to buy these. So I'll cut you a deal on them, 40 bucks. I paid, I think, 70 for them. And it does come with the socket. So if I can get this to go in there. So yeah, comes with the socket. So for 6 lug wheels, GM, you know, like I said, if you're in the Birmingham area and you want these, you got some deep dish wheels, holler at me, I'll cut you a deal. I said I got 70 bucks in them. I let them go for 40 bucks just because, I mean, I'm not gonna be able to use them, or at least get some of my money back. But yeah guys, it looks pretty good. I think the only thing I'm gonna have done next is, like I said, the color match. Get that stuff done. Probably some new headlights, fresh fog lights, because these are kind of and a billet grill, and probably call it a wrap on the outside. Want to do a little MagnaFlow muffler on it just to give it a little bit of rumble. I don't want it loud, just want to rumble. And on the inside, once I clean it up, It's pretty nasty in here right now. I want to do 2 subs under the back seat, probably some 10s, you know, nothing too crazy. My brother's got, I think they're P2 or P3s under the back seat of his Titan in a custom box. And he did it all right. He's got a lot of money in it, and it sounds perfect. So I may go something similar like that. Not sure yet. I have to get with him. He knows more about anything really than I do, so I get his opinion on most of the stuff. So shout out to you, bro. Give me a little double din. Get rid of this radio. Like I said, it's pretty dark in here. You can't see. So that means I got to get some LEDs, LED tag lights. May order them tonight since they're pretty cheap. I'm pretty spent out right now, so got to catch back up. So I don't like putting myself in a bind, so I just buy a little bit when I can, and I don't want to be broke. So I can at least, you know, get some of those for right now. But yeah, probably gonna get a MagnaFlow exhaust put on it in a week or two. You know, probably do like a little chrome tip, and that'll be it, man. I'll just drive her. I ain't got anything else I want to do to it. LED tail lights and wrap the roof gloss black. So sounds like I still got a lot to do, but it's really not too bad, and she'll be done. I'm pretty happy with it right now, but I'll be really happy with it then. So yeah, if anybody in the Birmingham area wants these, hit me up on here, Instagram at bag95. Drop me a DM. I would put my number on here, but I'd be afraid to get too many just BS phone calls. So yeah, just hit me up. Said I would clean it, but with this Alabama weather here lately, if it says it's going to be sunny, it's like 20% chance it's going to be sunny. If it's 100%, you know, chance of sunshine, just go ahead and knock that down to about 30-40. It's supposed to be nice all day Saturday, rained at the end of the day. You know, it's supposed to be all nice Sunday, rained all day. So you never know right now. And it's been 80 degrees here lately, so Alabama weather is something else. One day you'll be bundled up in a jacket and it'll be raining and snowing. The next day it'll be sun out, you know, 85, and in the middle of February. So yeah, guys, that's the truck. Gonna start back with more car content here soon. Haven't really driven it much, but it's been kind of sitting. But yeah, I heard that maybe if got a little bit of feedback that maybe if I do some truck videos, I'd get some more subs. And so we're gonna try it out. So be ready for some more truck videos. That's gonna do it for this video. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and peace.